Oh, that was it. On your appear to clean your camera next to way. Appear to I clean your camera next to clean your lens, no. We move, miracle. Oh, don't be a fuss.
This is very nice. This is very nice. Oba with maka kentena actually appear to kenteno. No one can try and say that the great
appear to auntie and your Betsy.
Okay. Me be call you back for your work of his mania will be a castle now. Oh, because one would the containing for me, sister be the containing.
Okay, may announcement today.
Oh, okay. I hope so.
But I
okay, the great. Why are they a good idea, pa? Yeah, I'm gonna host that. Mean shroud. Okay, the great. It's not drop for me.
Monya quite for other platforms.
Maybe call
Monya's announcement.
Oh, wow. Because I think say a cold gold is in the picture under the coin.
Under the coin. Okay.
But you say what the coin. You say the coin.
No, so. Like what cost gold? Like mono.
I catch no US. Aha. Yeah, no. See, you choose or yeah, I think what your video be meaning to be or the coin.
Because Asante fucking
no correct. I'm gonna host no correct. No correct. Okay. Into the great wire to me walk on this way. Bit distracting to a bit. Yeah, you're right.
appear to a band say crown so why to be one free. Thank you, gifters. Thank you. Kabaye, busia penny call me kabaye and change or ya lagi or shedem. So, hey.
Teamlegalwives, hey, I was up for VIP. Yeah, I go see a Serwaa papa. Yeah, go say, mammy. Yeah, mammy, Teamlegalwives, yeah, go wife. Remove, you take it to the answer, no. Remove, Teamlegalwives. They take it to the answer. Yeah, go say, mammy, I go see a Serwaa papa. Teamlegalwives, remove. And I am mammy for play, Mubesti. I must have been no back now. I see. They go see a mammy, I go see a Serwaa. They take it to the answer. They take it to the answer. Remove. Hey, I never know. They have a woman in the kind. Remove. Anyway, your boss way. Your boss. Obiang and take it. Obiang and take it. Yeah, my wife. Remove. Your money was that's why I was Siano. And I must have been a back now for famous. Remove. Obiawa, I say, was up for why. They're going to grab that salmon. Bye bye.
It is an Amokawa. And you kasa on WhatsApp. And you say, you can register group no. What you? And I was say, me can say, me Ghana hono, me Ghana. How much Ghana card? When the Ghana card, I want me a register. And I'm saying me Ghana card. Now, I come a person Australia. It's the moment. Instead, me a group no. As your friend say, Kwakumenu and no more council, what do you mean by Kabibia? I want to know where you are, baby. Kwakumen, the Dini Baye, and Tiama Kwakumen, Momunka, found another as a president, found another, therefore, and I'm so key. It won't come and listen, sir. I'm a bad to a Kwaboka, sir. Mommy and Yabotre. That's a time of swan, about Brabetier, bra. Satamo swan, most of Onia, Mommy Quadro, Naman Fankomano. Emma Setamo Susi a Quapoya, near Quaye, or bet to Waka, same yen kind, yen yano copet, say and train. Metro, made a family, yen Basia, Teamlegalwives. Akoma, some buyer, Yakoma, me comment in Sina.
Enti abusia wey eye Teamlegalwife for as say Dino enti ya nyane say oba party wa akwa register enti wey ama other Teamlegalwife for omobo anyo so e kire say eye omo nyina netena back door eti group a omo discuss ye say edin wey ene ye pese ye di gina so ne ekoma maame no ema omo kire mu akoduru ba bi say e wose obi koye den e register ema omo ka say wey na didi ni bai wey na didi ni bai wey na didi ni baba na omo nka bi nhemu omuhu ya ne se oba party wa me vim power akwa register yenyantie vim power side minim se no vim power oba party wa ba life I don't know so beba be clear so there I don't know nti ye betwen ne yatie wono so ne side of the story nti me no ka say oba party wa so nsema edapono no so ne se other Teamlegalwife was o mone ne nya adwene se wakwa biye Teamlegalwife International Teamlegalwives International we register kuno we and woman so ebu afuo wo mo kasa yenkwe na nsem ne de bede
obi akofa Teamlegalwives say obi ama ye comment star no wo sit Teamlegalwives Teamlegalwives ye register because tiwa one body din yetiwa and the date for birth aba register yetiwa and the date for birth aba register na mso mo bua o say me bua say yes o aba register one nkofo bi one body abla bibi nim say the gate abo nkofo bi edin one bo wo bi din yetiwa ne nkofo bi bo me nim mo ka ho ba yetiwa de me nim say o ba yetiwa na mso Wabaiti wabeti na fiyeti abra me mabre it's why you bre kwa kuma ye na kasa from the one and what you perform to na ko register with that wife almost saying I'm okay pankasa and I'm just a silent here there monfa obeti wantum ye musa no na kwesi mi monfa obeti wantum ye musa no no mo do obeti wantum as a conference call me so ba let him legal wife na be me question say to legal wife so ba nya ni pa ba akofo di o eyi na ye team e so ya wom me bo ban kofo di ye na na ye dia na de na won kwa fa say akoye say asante kwen legal wife I media ti o say ya o I media enyo obi adia me platform ne titi legal na mto ba wo kan kwen wo your trofo ti legal wife dey down Mami yenya mawo. Ye etitese ye wa apprentice e kasa mawo na. Sa wodia ye wa apprentice obetu ye mawo. Ye kasa mawo. Ye tese ye wodia na tese ye adwuma de mawo na. Eye team enye ba akofo de na won kwa ba je ko fight sa ko register. Tese ato de de ohun. Ato de de. Akwa etse etu kwa ko register. Amedia I want man na he show ya mo kasa we be ka bi we na me ka che o say me ni hu nchete mu bia so obeti wa aka say Teamlegal wife na dia me de mano na me bo afu na me see from me free call so because na me be say ye be ye ne misunderstand bia na makoke
abusia me ba mama Serwaa mpacha wo ya wo say mafa wo mama Serwaa okay, abusia ya toaso na Asante Queen ekremu a na nka omo kwa ko register Teamlegal wives edin no say aye pinso entokwa asi emefa ye thank you say mefa wo to wig ni nyina hye won to bi mame eti me se makwa me kwa ko bomiti matwan wig ne sa wan posti amba na no beto star mame a wo se wo de usika nyina ekoto wig eti me hwe ya wig ne ma no emefa na me koe na mse o mame nkobo miti na mkobo ye eti bacho sa wo petre we bi abo na wo hard for sure ye friend pa no Beatrice make wife make ne yere aha wone bo mame enti abusia ya toaso enti Asante Queen ekremu a oba party wa afọ machi akwa register wan kan kire omo nanka wono Asante Queen no ono so kwa register enti ono so call ya okodru registering office no so register office no ene ye ka kire wo mo se ane obi aba be register Teamlegal wife no ene wo se hwan ene ye se ye frɛ obi ya ti wa ona register